This video is going to show how to adjust the patio door lock and keeper. The only time you want to adjust this keeper is if the door is not locking properly. Now, if you've already checked, the first thing you want to do is check your reveals. You want to pull your door panel back so you have about 1/8 of an inch reveal between the frame edge and the door panel itself. And you just want to look up and down the door and make sure that that reveal is straight. If it's not, if it's tight on the top or loose at the bottom, then you want to make an adjustment, because that's probably the reason your door is not operating properly. This one looks to be pretty good within range, so you want to next check the lock. Make sure the lock is good. Now, if you try to use the lock without the door being in the closed position, it's not going to work. There is a button here on the lock itself. It's called an anti-slam mechanism. That has to be engaged with the keeper in order for the lock to work. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna show you, you depress that and the door should lock and unlock just fine. Without depressing it, it'll unlock, but it won't lock, okay? So in the closed position, now that we know the lock is good, it should lock. It's not. So we're gonna figure out why by adjusting the keeper slightly up first and see if that solves the problem. There's 4 screws. He's gonna loosen all 4 so that the lock can move freely. He's then gonna move that keeper up slightly and then lock it in with 1 screw and test the lock to see if we're good. We are. Raising the keeper worked. The lock works fine. Okay, so we're gonna go back and tighten up the rest of the screws. And then try the lock again. And the door works fine.